Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft, crispy and healthy Suji Appam Nashta, perfect for breakfast or evening snacks. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl take 1 cup suji, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon onion, 1 green chili, 3 tablespoon capsicum, 3 tablespoon carrot, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, 2 tablespoon raisin and 2 tablespoon cashew nuts. Add half cup curd, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half cup water gradually. Mix well. Add veggies of your choice for more flavor. Suji or semolina is used in both sweet and savory Indian dishes. Adding raisins balances the spice with a touch of natural sweetness. Suji is light and easy to digest. Cashews provide healthy fats and energy. Carrots and capsicum boost fiber and vitamins. And rest for 10 minutes. Don't skip the 10-minute resting, it softens the suji. Grease an appe pan with oil. Using very little oil keeps this recipe heart-friendly. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda to the batter. Mix well. Always add baking soda just before cooking for fluffiness. Pour into each mold. Cook on low heat for even golden browning. Cover and cook for 6 to 7 minutes until golden and fluffy. Appam pans are widely used in South India for oil-free snacks. This snack is often served during festival as a light treat. Your crispy Suji Appam Nashta is ready. Try it at home and share with your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more tasty snacks.